Hey everyone, I'm Scott Seary, and I'm a copywriter and educator that helps people discover their true inner potential so that they can live a free life. Today, I wanted to give you a few tips on how you can drastically improve the way you relate to your clients and your prospects. This can apply to your marketing, no matter if it's written, spoken, or completely done through visuals. When you're talking to prospects, keep in mind that there are only 3 questions that people have. They want to know, what does it cost? How does it work? And why do I care? When they're satisfied with these 3 questions, they really have no issues in becoming your client. But there's a problem with answering these questions just as they come along. In fact, too many people just start at the top and then they work their way to the bottom. The prospect comes in looking for your services, let's say to help them manage their social media. So you launch right into it saying, for just $500 a month, we handle all of your social media. We go through a complete audit of your page so that you have all the right information listed there. We then make sure we build posts and they're uploaded every day to keep you at the top of your clients' minds. We'll even build ads so that you can get in front of your target market more easily. We never really get to this why. It's a snooze fest. Nobody cares. So keep in mind when answering these questions, the importance is actually reversed. People want to know, why do I care? Then they want to know, how does it work? Finally, they care about what it costs. So in the why, you have mere seconds to grab their attention and show why they should keep reading or listening. Show them that their life will be easier, more prosperous, better, or they'll just have more fun and they'll stick around. Then, as you move into the how does it work, most people don't really care about the features and the specs and the processes. Instead, they want to know if the way you work jives with their core values. For the most part, if you're moral, honest, and legal, they're likely going to be a match. Finally, you can get to the price. Now, even if you have a price point that's outside of the normal range, you can still earn business. If you show why the customer needs you, how you're a great fit, the cost shouldn't be much of an issue. So this is kind of how this looks. I can show you how to have the freedom to live a life of your dreams. There's no more getting stuck at work when you'd rather be off fishing. There's no more sitting through meetings instead of attending your kids' recital at school. And there's no more drudging through the day in and day out of the soul-sucking office job. Instead, I will show you exactly how you can earn money without a boss. I'll walk you through step by step, going from having no idea how to be an entrepreneur to growing that idea. In the end, you will have a handful of clients under your belt, and you will be on the way to living the life of your dreams on your own terms. You can get started for free at knowtogrow.com. After you finish the introduction to the course, the full course is valued at over $2,000. But I don't want money to be a barrier. I'm offering it to you for just $249. So remember, show them the value, show them how it all works, and finish with what it costs. Now, head over to knowtogrow.com, there's a link in the description, and get started on your journey to living a free life.